High temperatures are set to continue for the rest of the week, with Met Éireann issuing status yellow warnings for most of the country. A hose pipe ban has also been issued for a number of areas, with people in other parts of the country being urged to conserve water where possible. Well, for more on this, we're joined by our Midlands correspondent, Sinead Hussey. She joins us from Athlone. Sinead, the fine weather continues, but as we heard there, so too do those temperature warnings and people being urged to heed advice.
Yes, Tommy, another day of high temperatures right across the country, and Met Éireann saying that's going to continue for the foreseeable. We know that high temperature warning is in place along the western seaboard today. Counties Clare, Cork, Kerry, Limerick, Galway and Mayo, all under that warning until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then at midday tomorrow, another warning comes into place for many other counties, including here in County Westmeath and a number of counties then across Leinster, Munster and Connacht. And that will remain in place until 6 o'clock on Friday morning. As you can see, many people are outside, they're enjoying this good weather, but with that comes warnings around heat stress, around water safety and around water conservation and usage. Basking in the beautiful sunshine. In Athlone today, locals and tourists were soaking up the sun.
Sure, it's fabulous, Sinead, sure, everybody's coming out, everybody's in good humour, that's the main thing,
My first time in Ireland. I think it's good. I thought it was going to be so rainy and cloudy.
Yeah, I expected rain and cold, but it's not really cold. It's really good weather, yeah.
So nice, yeah. Having a great day. It's a bit hot, but look, we'll get there in the end.
Nowhere nicer in the world than Ireland when the weather is like this and everybody's in great form.
Tomorrow, a status yellow high temperature warning will come into effect here in County Westmeath and last until 6 o'clock on Friday morning. It will also cover counties Carlow, Kildare, Kilkenny, Laois, Longford, Offaly, Cavan and Donegal, as well as Munster and Connacht. Already the same high temperature warning is in place today across the west coast until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning.
So we're going to see plenty more sun, plenty more dry weather and some very high temperatures, particularly across the western counties across the country. So again, that warm weather is going to continue now for at least a good week.
As the dry spell continues, people right across the country are being urged to conserve water. A hosepipe ban for 6 areas comes into effect on Thursday.
Water is a very precious resource. We've got to mind it. Even if you're not in a hose ban area, you got to look after your water. Make sure you got a decent watering system, a proper hose, check your no leaks. But in an area where you've got hose ban areas, use a watering can. Watering can is going to be your best friend because you are going to put the water where you need to put it and not waste it. But be prudent and have a bit of common sense.
Keeping cool, the priority for now. And as that hot spell continues, of course, there is also advice around water safety. If you are out on the rivers or on the lakes, you're being encouraged to wear a life vest. And of course, the Ornalai's message, float to live.
Sinead Hussey from a very sunny Athlone. Thanks indeed.